First, we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. So we're gonna go to the settings, choose connected devices, now go to connection preferences, and over here we have NFC. And here we need to make sure that it is enabled, and also it is recommended to enable this option, require device unlock for NFC. You can also choose contactless payments in order to make sure that Google Wallet is selected over here. Now we can go to the Wallet app. So let's open the Google folder, and you should be able to find the Wallet app somewhere over here. If not, you can always go to the Play Store and search for the Google Wallet app. So just type Wallet, and you can open it over here. I mean, install and open it. So once you open the Wallet app, you should be able to press Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner, and then choose Payment Card. You will open the rear camera where you can scan your card and get the details. In case it doesn't work for you, you can enter details manually by using this text at the bottom. Fill everything in, and then you can press Save and Continue. And then finalize this process, of course, to add the credit or debit card to your phone. After that, you can start paying with your phone. You can make contactless payments with your phone. You just need to keep in mind that NFC should be enabled every time you try to make the payment. You can also find the NFC option in quick settings over here in the control center, so you can turn it off or on over here in case you need it. So remember to keep this on, and also since we have enabled the requirement for the device unlock, you need to unlock your device before you make the contactless payments. But that's about it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.